Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower SUA2000iD 2000 Watt Portable Inverter Generator stands out in a crowded field of portable power solutions with its robust design and versatile fuel options. This generator is powered by both gasoline and propane, making it an excellent choice for those who want flexibility in fuel sources. Weighing only about 50 pounds, its compact size makes transportation a breeze, whether for camping, tailgating, or emergency backup power. One of the most impressive features of the SUA2000iD is its quiet operation. With a noise level of just 58 decibels at a quarter load, it runs quietly enough to make it suitable for use in residential areas or during outdoor activities without disturbing the peace. The inverter technology provides clean, stable power, which is crucial for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. This means you can charge your devices or run appliances without the worry of damaging them. In terms of performance, the SUA2000iD delivers a peak output of 2000 watts and a running output of 1600 watts, providing ample power for small appliances, lights, and tools. The generator features 2 AC outlets, 1 DC output, and a USB port, allowing you to connect multiple devices simultaneously, enhancing its utility. The generator's fuel efficiency is also noteworthy. It can run for up to 7 hours on a full tank of gasoline at a 50% load, and the propane option offers even longer run times, making it perfect for extended trips. The easy-to-read LED display shows crucial information such as remaining runtime and fuel level, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Overall, the A-iPower SUA2000iD is an excellent investment for anyone in need of reliable, portable power. Its combination of versatility, quiet operation, and solid performance makes it a standout choice for campers and those seeking a dependable backup generator. Whether you're powering tools on a job site or enjoying a weekend getaway, this generator will meet your needs with efficiency and reliability.